Hi there, you are welcome. I'm going to show you how to import media from your computer into your Camtasia project. You don't have to use just screen capture in your video. You can add all kinds of media to your project to enhance it: images, videos, music, or even Camtasia recordings. Camtasia can handle a wide variety of this media. Let's start with a brand new project and follow along. As you can see, the media bin is empty. There are more than one way to import media into Camtasia. I can just click the Import Media green button down there, or go to the File menu, find the library and select the Import Media to Library, or the shortcut Ctrl+I, or drag a clip from a folder into the media bin. But you don't have to import one file at a time. If I select all the files in this folder, drag and drop, kabam, there you go. Everything is in my Camtasia project. Let's give it a go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.